Everything I own. Waking up in places, dirt on our faces, living like anything's a home. Yeah, yeah. I can't lie, it's something special.
What's up guys, this is Sherwin from Happy Steps and welcome to a Pakistani restaurant called Khyber Darbar. They serve beautiful Pakistani cuisine. I mean, their food is very delicious from various options, from biryani to payas to halim, mutton and butter chicken, I think, and also chapli kebab. So they have various options of food and it's pretty yummy and delicious, and I'm going to try. In fact, we ordered for what we ordered for? Butter chicken, dansak mutton, no, plain mutton. Actually, I forgot the names. Okay, we ordered for butter chicken, mutton kadhai, Pakistani roti, and no, kashmiri pulao, sorry, chicken. So the food has come, delicious yummy food, Kashmiri, Pakistani food, in Kashmiri pulao, mutton curry and butter chicken and Pakistani roties. The aroma is pretty strong and nice, and it got a twist of Indian cuisine to it. In Pakistani food before, I think Pakistani payas, but this is something pretty different. The pulao looks very delicious, something very different from the normal pulao that we usually eat in India. The Pakistani pulao is very delicious. The mutton is yummy. In fact, a beautiful blend of spices. I yet have to taste the butter chicken. food is very delicious overall. The mutton is pretty nice. Check out its pieces. It's so fat and yummy. The pulao is very delicious. I think they put a lot of ghee and butter, so that gives it the flavor, the softness of the food. And the butter chicken. The butter chicken is loaded with butter. It's so delicious. So overall, the food is a big thumbs up. I'm actually enjoying the food. The food is very yummy. I need to dig in and eat this chicken piece in the Kashmiri pulao. Extremely tender and nice. The chicken is very soft and yummy. Very delicious. I'm pretty full. The food was delicious, yummy. Kind of finished everything except for the butter chicken. Pretty rich food. One good point about the restaurant is they don't put energy, which is a very good part, and it's a very nice thing. It doesn't make you feel full, the food, which most of the restaurants do that, but they don't do it. So overall the food is pretty nice, fantastic. I give it a thumbs up.